Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 3, I welcome you to the AppSec online support program. Our textbook is Heidi from page number 26 till 27. Resources required are reader, computer, laptop or cell phone. Introduction of the lesson is: in this lesson, we are going to learn that Clara talked about ghosts with Heidi and how her dad is planning to catch it. Thought of the day is: do not be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. It means, students, that we should never be afraid of failure. It is a chance to learn something new. It is even a gift that you give to yourself to learn, to grow, to have the chance to improve. So we should never be afraid to try something new. Just because we can be fail in something, it doesn't mean that we will never try it. This is English literature class. Our topic for today is Heidi, the ghost story. The objectives are: today we will recall previous part of the story and listen to the text from pages 26 till 27. Success criteria is to read and comprehend the part of the story. Before we start our new page for today, let us first recall the previous pages of the story. Heidi lived with her aunt Date in Switzerland. One day they visited grandfather's house. Aunt Date left Heidi at grandfather's house and went back to Frankfurt. Heidi became friends with Peter. Peter looked after the goats in the mountains. Aunt Date came back from Frankfurt and asked Heidi to go with her so that she may start her school. Heidi stayed at Aunt Date's friend's house. There she met with Clara. Clara could not walk. Heidi liked Clara, but she wanted to go back to the mountains. Okay, students, now look at the picture. What do you see in this picture? Here in the first picture, we can see that a girl is sitting on a wheelchair. Do you know her? What is her name? Yes, that's Clara. She looked very shocked. Why is she shocked? Okay, let's come to the next picture. Here we can see that the maid is dusting something, but she looked very worried. And Heidi is also very surprised. What happened? What is Clara telling to Heidi that makes her so surprised? Let's find out. Okay, students, let's read it. One day, when Heidi came home from school, Clara said, "Last night, the maid saw a ghost on the stairs. Tonight, Daddy won't go to bed because he hopes to see the ghost too." Okay, students, so we have learned from this passage that when Heidi came back home from school, Clara said to her that last night the maid saw a ghost on the stair. So that is why she was very worried. So today Daddy has decided that he would not go to the bed early. Instead, he would find out the ghost. Okay, now here's the vocabulary that we have learned throughout this lesson. Our first word is maid. M-A-I-D, maid. Repeat. M-A-I-D, maid. So the meaning of a maid is, it is a female domestic servant who help us in our daily chores. Next word is ghosts. 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 Repeat. GHOSTS. So what is the meaning of ghosts? It means the spirit of a dead person or an animal. Okay, next word, stairs. STAIRS. Repeat. STAIRS. Do you know the meaning of stairs? Well, a stair is a set of steps leading from one floor to another. Okay, next word is hope. 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 Repeat. HOPE. Hope. So what is the meaning of hope? Hope means a feeling of expectation. Okay, now the critical thinking questions. Let's start. A. Why does Clara look worried? Yes, student. What do you think? Why does she look worried? Well, she looked worried because she was scared. She was scared of ghosts. Okay, B. What is Clara telling to Heidi? Yes. She was telling to Heidi that the maid saw a ghost on the stairs. Now C. Why does the maid look worried? Think about it. Why does she look worried? Well, she looked worried because she saw a ghost on the stairs. That's correct. Okay, students, let's take a quick recap of what we have studied today. We have learned that when Heidi came back from school, Clara was very shocked because the maid told her that she saw a ghost on the stair. So today, Daddy has decided that he would not go to bed early and he would see the ghost by himself. Okay, here's the home assignment for you. Now you have to draw and color the character you like most on A4 size paper. Okay, that is the end of our lesson for today. With a short message for you that always obey and respect your grandparents because they are the greatest blessing from Allah. And it is our duty to look after them and care for them. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.